I don't do my painting. I don't make it and I don't paint them where my paint was. And can you see the back of the box? My red ponies. And I can see Twilight here. I can see Twilight. And here we go next. This time you get it. Remember put that to the side. You got it. Can you see from the side? It's nice. As you can see, quiet. Can you see inside her? We got a paper. We got stickers, glitter, and we got Pinkie Pie dial. There's Pinkie Pie. Oh my god! I can paint Pinkie Pie now. I did the paint. Yeah. I'll put her here for a little while. Paint here. Now she needs to do this one and the rest here. Paint her. I can sit back down there. I'm gonna do her legs now. Marina, are you fast? I got fast. Look, boys and girls. 10 minutes when Pinkie Pie dries. Let's pop her. Now to put the mortar and Pinkie Pie. And to pour some. Done. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.